How to fix 404 not found error in Google Chrome. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix 404 not found error in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over, open your Google Chrome, and then you gotta head over, click on the three dots at the top right, and then you gotta click on history. So once you click on history, you will be redirected to all of your history over here. So you're gonna click on delete browsing data at the top. So once you click on delete browsing data, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to select all those options that you wish to delete. You can simply check all of these, or if it's something that you want to keep, such as cached images and files, you can simply uncheck that box and then click on the combo box at the top of last hour, click on all time, and then head over, click on delete data button at the bottom. After that, you're going to simply restart your Chrome. And now when you open Chrome, you're going to simply type in that URL. But one thing that you need to keep in mind that the history URL would be removed. So you're going to type in your URL yourself or simply paste it if you have any link. And then you'll be able to see that you have successfully fixed the error. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.